Wow, guys, did you know you can achieve this hairstyle using Brazilian wool? Alright, come with me, let me show you the magic. Hi, it's your girl Jasmine and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome, and thanks to all my returning viewers, all my returning subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. I love you. So I'm going to start from the back, sectioning my hair. So I'll be using this Brooklyn styling wax. This helps my edges to be well defined. This is my Brazilian wool. I thought 4 would be okay, but it wasn't enough. I had to add 1 extra, which made it 5. And I'm going to start by brushing it through, making it look like my natural virgin hair. You know, it's actually almost the same texture with our natural hair. After this, I'm going to cut out some strands and then I'll start twisting. If you watch how I twist, I always twist to the other direction, unlike what other people use. Like I twist to the right instead of left. I find it easier and firm. When you look at it, it's always different from others.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
I'm going to knot the ends to secure because it might get loosened later. So when it comes to DIY, pattern of hair is very important. Don't skip this video. Always try to watch how I do my patterns so neat and beautiful. I think watching it like that, you can learn. So this is my styling wax. It helps me to keep my patterns neat and secure.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So you keep cutting like I'm laying bricks, like blocks, right? Bricks. So keep cutting it like that till I get to the end. Alright, we are in the front. I'm going to divide this into 2 and then we have 3 braids on each part. Okay, let me tell you this. If you want your twist to be tight and thin from the root, you just have to twist it, wrap it twice. It's not really gonna show, because if your hand is firm, if your hand is kind of tight, it won't show. It won't really show that you wrap it twice. You can wrap it once or twice. It depends on what works for you. Okay, yeah. So this is how it works, and voila. The hair is hairing. Can you just see the beauty of this Brazilian world? Dip it in hot water. This is the part I don't always like, but it's a DIY and I have to do it carefully. You don't have to rush when you are doing this. Take your time gently and dip it into the hot water, and that's it.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Alright, so this is the final stage where I'll be wrapping it together, kind of wrap or twist, I don't know, anyway you call it. So I'm going to do this and make sure they are equal.
Looking like Sky Bree, she got a body, ayy. And she been calling me daddy lately. Want me to put her in Cartier's, and the deserve it. Put in work for the money she earn it. Give me top every night, lip service. Now I gotta block these, she worked it. Abu Dhabi.
If you feel the wrapping was not firm enough, you can use your black rubber band to secure it so it won't loosen later.
Right beside me, in the phantom off that Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch look like Sky Bree. Right beside me, in the phantom off that.
Alright, it's time for me to use my styling nails. It's optional, okay? And then after that, I'm going to use this to tie it and then blow dry. Voila, this is the hair. Are you seeing your baby girl? I am set, I'm good to go. Wow, I love this hair. It's simple, anybody can do this. Are you seeing my edges? I did not really do the edges. I was in a hurry, but you can take your time and do what you want, okay? Use your edge control to style the edges the way you want. Alright guys, what do you think about this hairstyle? Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section. Have you subscribed to my channel? If you've not subscribed, I urge you, girl. Click on that subscribe button and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.